What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 24 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this Rockwood Mini Lite 2511S. This RV's got a rear bathroom and a designated front bedroom. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Rockwood Mini Lite 2511S. Before we tour this RV, let's take a look at the specs. So you've got a hitch weight of 697 pounds, an unloaded vehicle weight of 5,756 pounds, a cargo carrying capacity of 1,941 pounds, a total exterior length of 25 feet 10 inches, and a total height of 10 feet 11 inches. Alright, so let's go ahead and start on the front of this RV, where you've got an electric tongue jack as well as dual propane tanks, and then on the front you've got an front window, which is really nice. And then coming to the side of this RV, you've got your antifreeze inlet, and then you've got the city water connection. And then you've got your docking lights for the light strip that sits on the front of this RV. And then you've got a slide out here that is actually a dresser. You'll see it when we head inside. And then under here you've got pass-through storage, aluminum frame in this RV, and then that right there is a cabinet to access some of the plumbing. Also, these baggage doors have these really nice handles, and then you've got your portable water inlet. And then on the second slide out of this RV, you have a frameless window and then this little exterior cubby space, which is nice. And then you've got your 30 amp power hookup. And next to that is your cable and satellite input. And then you've got your gray and black tank dump. Heading towards the back of this RV, you've got a little tiny window, which is for the bathroom. And this RV is also prepped for the Furrion backup camera. And then you've got a spare tire as well as a ladder on the back of this RV. And then heading over to the campsite, you've got this huge 19-foot awning, which is nice to see, an awning that covers almost the entire campsite. And then you've got this outlet for, say, plugging in a TV, your furnace exhaust, as well as your hot water tank. And this RV is double axle. And this RV is a part of the 50-year edition of Rockwood RVs. And you also have a composite construction to prevent delamitation and mold. I'm ready to head inside this RV, so let's check it out. So you've got solid steps as well as this really large grab handle. And then heading inside, you've got a bathroom in the very back of this RV, large vanity, and then you've got a medicine cabinet that sits up above as well as a cabinet that sits below the sink. On the side here, you've got this really deep cabinet that goes from the floor to the ceiling. Then you've got a window in the back as well as a porcelain toilet. And then you have a standard size shower with a skylight as well as the max air fan in the ceiling. And this bathroom doesn't have a regular door. It actually has this sliding barn door, which, I mean, they're really maximizing how they're using this space, but I don't know if I like the barn door. And this barn door is held open by this little strap that goes around this metal piece, and you just rotate it and it locks in place. Over to the slide out, you've got a fridge here in the slide out. Now the top is the fridge, and then the fridge is on the bottom. Oh no, it's actually a pull out. So yeah, pull out freezer, and then your fridge on the top. And then you have your theater seating, and then you've got some light above as well as some cabinet space, and then you have windows in the slide out. And then over here is a metal post. There's one on each side of the couch, and that right there is basically the base of a TV tray, since this RV doesn't have a dinette. And then you've got your wireless charging as well as this storage area in the middle of the couch. And then up front in the bedroom, you've got this dresser, which is actually a slide out. One of these slide outs that we saw earlier on the outside. And it's really neat how they added a full slide out just for more storage. Then you've got a queen size bed with, I guess you call them side tables on each side with pull out drawers. And then you've got this cabinet on one side where you can hang up some clothes, and then you've got some cabinet space up above the bed as well as a front window. And then check out this right here. It's a pull-out cabinet or pull-out drawer that is actually in the back side of the kitchen. So it's neat how they added every bit of storage space that they could. And then you've got your TV backer on the corner, so you put a TV over in the corner, and then you've got a same style sliding barn door as the bathroom. Heading into the kitchen, you've got this flip-up countertop as well as this huge farmhouse sink. And then you've got a window in the kitchen as well as an oven with a 3-burner cooktop. And then above that you have your hood vent and then a microwave. And then you've got a cabinet, and that right there goes around the corner. And then you've got these pull-out drawers as well as this little area that flips out for a sponge. And then over here you've got your fireplace as well as this large cabinet. And then you have a TV that sits up above it that sits directly across from the couch. And then you've got your AC unit. This right here is a really nice couples camper. It's got the rear bathroom in the back and then the bedroom up front. And it's got a nice living room setup. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this RV tour, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road.